Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen Are True, chapter 39. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the Queen Mother Xishaning and Queen Jiangshu. Queen Jiangshu, she was really surprised when Queen Mother Xishaning asked her for full body massage. Well, it really makes sense. Right now, she was in shock. She cannot believe that the Queen Mother will ask her. Looking at Queen Xishaning, she's like a sly fox, acting like a queen. Well, for her, of course, she really don't want it. That's why she was really in shock. Said to Queen Xishaning, she really don't want to do it. But the Queen Mother right now, how can I bother my sister and condense to her? Is my sister afraid that the A family may not be able to serve you well because of their unfamiliar skills? As of the moment, Queen Jiangshu, of course, she really wants to divert attention of the Queen Mother Xishaning, so she won't ask this again. No, it's a sister who doesn't deserve a sister, Queen Jiangshu said to Queen Xishaning. But right now, but suddenly Queen Xishaning pushed her. And look at her. It seems that she really feels uncomfortable. Queen Xishaning, right now, she became tricky and said to her it was itchy. Looking at her, Queen Xishaning seems to be having fun on teasing her. She moved closer to her, lift up her chin. It seems that my sister is also very sensitive here. Oh, right now, Queen Xishaning, she was really teasing her so much. Looking at her face, she was really blushing, although she really feels so strange. Having to play with her like this, it's like a fulfillment for her. And that's why she was really blushing. When she faced Queen Jiangshu, there is a strange feeling, really unexplainable. The two of them are really blushing, especially Jiangshu. Right now, she really can explain about her feelings. Said to herself again. Jiangshu, she continued to restrain herself against Queen Xishaning. Although right now, Queen Xishaning wanted to slip her hands, Jiangshu said it was good. Well, did she really mean that she's allowing Xishaning to do the things whatever she wants? Especially right now, Xishaning said to her, okay, sister will help you. Looking at her, she moved really closer to her and continued to tease her. Looking at Jiangshu, said to her, there. Well, could it be that right now she don't want to restrain herself towards the teasing of Queen Xishaning? And right now, looking at her, even though she was really shaky, she continued and allowed Queen Xishaning to do the things that she want. Especially right now, her hands are being tricky. Also, looking at her, she really can able to bear it, but almost cannot. But right now, looking at her, suddenly Xishaning pinched, but it seems that she's going to cry. Well, the Queen Mother Xishaning is getting tricky, and looking at her, she almost got cry. Well, maybe it was a little painful. She got pinched, that's why she almost got cry. Also, the relationship seems to be getting better. Jiangshu, if you can't stand it, just lie down. Now, she's following Queen Mother's order. It will be more comfortable to lie down. Oh, right now, she's being obedient, and she is not restraining herself. Although she looked like a baby, she really followed the orders of the Queen Mother itself. Although the Queen Mother is getting tricky. Right now, since she already lied down, she can do anything but to follow the orders of the Queen Mother to hers. Looking at her, Xishaning seems to be having fun. Said to her, like that. Next, it's the other place. Sister's skin is still so delicate. That's why the Queen Mother is teasing her so much. Although right now, Queen Jiangshu A little bit shaky. She got teased by the Queen Mother. The waist is slender and the lower abdomen is flat. Right now, Changshu was really shocked. The Queen Mother teased her again. Right now, the Queen Mother seems to be serious, and her hands are really going around hers, sliding from the side to other side until she really gets satisfied. But, moreover, looking at her, she seems to be screaming. Well, she should be quiet. There's someone outside the palace. The Queen Mother itself is really doing well. Until, suddenly, she got back on her senses. She covered up herself. Right now, she was really in shock. I said to her, "Sister, even if it's a full body massage, even they are all women. Right now, Queen Jiangsu, she need to stop this, but she already pinned down. The Queen Mother already pressed down again, and she can do anything but just to obey her again. The Queen Mother Seasoning really want to tease her so much. She whispered gently on her ears. She said to her, "Don't make noise." The Queen Mother seems to be not satisfied. That's why she teased her again. "I just said to you to serve you well." By the Queen Mother's hands, it was exploring again and again until she feels really good. The Queen Mother continued to tease her. It was naturally, but until now, Queen Jiangsu is not restraining herself, although she's keeping herself quiet, not trying to make noises. "Don't cut corners," Queen Mother said to her, looking at her. But right now, she was really blushing. Well, until the final end, she said to herself, "Oh no." Well, maybe the Queen Mother is already stopped teasing her. That's why, right now, Queen Seasoning said to her, "Just started, Jiangsu. Oh, this is bad. This is like a punishment to her, and it's only the beginning." Thanks for supporting this channel, Pinkuchu. Thank you for joining membership. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership was already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!